Alright, back at it again with another science video. And yeah, this one's gonna be quite interesting. I don't know how this is gonna work, but hey, let's make it happen. So make sure you, before this video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And comment on, do you think this will work or not? And come on, just be honest. Tell me if you thought it'll work. And yeah, let's just get into it. So for today, we are doing cleaning pennies. And let me start with the materials. So what you need is vinegar. We are using white vinegar. We don't know if it matters what type of vinegar, but we're using white vinegar. Glass jar. Dirty pennies. Yeah, so this is what dirty pennies look like. You know, just dirty. Can't really read them. 1 teaspoon salt. We have some salt right here and a tablespoon. So there we go. Alright, so that's the materials. And question, do you clean a penny? Yeah, make sure you post that in the comments down below too. Did you think that that vinegar could clean these pennies along with salt? And do you ever clean a penny? I mean, I don't think I have, so this is gonna be the first time I clean a penny. Let's just look at the procedures and see if we could clean these metals and yeah, make it successful. So procedure number 1, pour vinegar into the jar until it is about half full. So we got this distilled white vinegar and we're gonna pour it in here to about let's see, this is about 1/2. Yeah, about that. So here, all right, the 200 mark. Oh, vinegar, guys. It's kind of weird. About halfway. By the way, guys, I don't know if vinegar is like bad for you or something, but I just want you guys to be advised that if you're gonna do this, you might want to have like adult supervision or something like that, in case you get hurt or something like that, or get poisoned. So anyway, yeah, here we go. About the half mark, maybe a little bit more. There. So that is about halfway. So we got that down. Alright, so that's step 1, pouring the vinegar. Step 2, stir the salt until it dissolves. So what I think they mean by this is they want me to pour 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of salt into here and then mix it. Alright guys, so I have a tablespoon of salt. I accidentally poured some in there, but yeah, let's just finish the rest. Again guys, it's 1 tablespoon of salt. So there we go, 1 tablespoon of salt. So that is the second, it's part of the second step. The second step is to stir in salt until it dissolves. So we're gonna do exactly that. I think all the salt fell. So that is step 2. Now here is step 3, which is we drop several dirty pennies into the vinegar. So one dirty, 2 dirty, And 3:30. I mean, what? I don't know. Alright. Hopefully we could clean the pennies. But for step 4, after a few minutes, take out half of the pennies and lay them on a paper towel to dry. So while it's cleaning the pennies, I'll go ahead and get some paper towels. I'll be right back. Has it been dissolving? It looks like it. Oh, guys. Have you guys ever smelled white vinegar? It smells kind of weird. Like those salt and vinegar chips. Yeah, please. comment that in the comment section below too. Have you ever smelled white vinegar? Half of 3. All right, guys. So we waited a couple of minutes, and it looks like it is actually getting cleaned. Yep, it's getting cleaned all right. So I guess if you guys were in the first part when I asked, do you think this will clean? If you're right, give yourself a pat on the back. Maybe, yeah. But for now, we're gonna take out half of the pennies and put them onto here. So now I'm gonna show you what they look like now. Oh my gosh, feels weird. Alright, feel the coldness. Alright, this is what one penny looks like. I don't know if you guys could see it through all of this. We cleaned it a little bit. We kind of didn't leave enough time for it to clean all the way, but hey, we got a cleaner penny. Now let's go into the second one. We're doing half, so. Oh my gosh, this feels weird. Guys, I don't know what I'm feeling right now. It feels weird, like. But yeah, have you guys ever touched vinegar with dissolved salt in it? Yeah, feels weird. But here's the second penny. Second penny. Now you guys can't really see because of the gloves, but yeah. So that's half.
Now.
Alright, y'all. So I got me some new gloves because those were just total chaotic and vinegary. But now we are going to do the last steps, which is remove the other pennies and rinse them with water before letting them dry. So let's go ahead and take this one penny. All right. Oh my gosh. This feels so weird. Feels like water, but like different. What is it? All right, here's the other penny that we let it stay in there for a little bit longer. Whoa. So now we're gonna rinse it. So if you guys will just, we're going to start rinsing. So I'm gonna use this, pour it up. And I'm just gonna go with medium temp because I don't know if we're supposed to be cold or hot. I'm just gonna do medium. So here we go. Alright. Oh no! Where'd the penny go? Alright, got the penny. Alright, very moving. Alright, that's it. So now that we let it rinse, we're going to let it dry. So, alright. So now that we've done that, we're just gonna let it rest right there and put that aside. Alright, let's take these gloves off. I'll be back in a second because I need to throw these away. Alright guys, so now we are going on to the 6th step, And this one says, note the difference between the two groups of pennies after they have been out of the vinegar/salt solution for a while. And it's been a while, but hey, they're finally dry. So here's what I noticed. This is the one that we rinsed off before we let it dry, and these two are the ones that we just took it out and let it dry. So here's the difference that I know. Since we had to take out these first, they're not as clean as this one. Plus, this one is like the dirtiest. So that's the thing. So these two are dirty. So if we just kept it in there a little longer, or maybe it was just washing it off, because maybe... Okay, here's what I theory. When we washed off the penny, I think we got rid of like more dirt. Because I think the vinegar didn't get all of it, but it like loosened it up like a lot, so it made it like not that sticky. So we could have just washed off the dirt, and that's how it got cleaner than the rest. All right, guys, now that we did all of the steps and figured out what happened between these two groups, now we're gonna talk about what's happening. And here's what the description says. The vinegar/salt solution is able to loosen the residue on the pennies, which is called copper oxide. See, guys, I told you that the vinegar loosened this one up and washed it away. With this residue removed, the penny are shiny once more. When you rinse them off, the cleaning stops and they remain shiny. The unrinsed pennies still have some of the solution on them. When the oxygen in the air hits them, a new reaction occurs, turning the pennies a bluish green color. Follow-up. Try this same experiment with nickels, dimes, and quarters. Do you get the same result? Probably yes, maybe. Maybe not, actually, because I think like pennies are made of a different material, like copper or something like that, copper metal. But yeah, I definitely see the bluish green color right here. Yeah, guys, I definitely see the bluish green color right here. You see that right here? On this one, maybe, I mean, this one's kind of clean, but it's like, this one wasn't that dirty at all either. So yeah, but I definitely see the bluish green. So yeah, and I don't see really much any dirt on this. So yeah. Alright, guys, unfortunately this is the end of the video. As of again, I hope you guys have a great rest of the weekend. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment to Mars Magical Channel. Also, again, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to my parents' channel, SCJ Royalty. They have a lot of cool stuff on there as of again. But yeah, it's the end of the video, guys. See you next time.